Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need two things ready: an updated phone app and either the Themes app or a third-party caller overlay. First, unlock the Redmi Note 11 and open Settings, tap Apps or Installed Apps to find the phone app. Once there, make sure permissions for overlays and contacts are enabled so custom screens can display. If the phone app is outdated, open Play Store and update it now. Make sure you have at least one theme or caller app downloaded before proceeding to replacements. Now you'll change the call screen itself. Open the phone app, tap the three dots or settings icon, then select Call Display or Incoming Call Settings. You'll see style options. Tap each to preview how incoming calls will look. Once you find a style you like, tap Apply or Set as Default. If you prefer themes, open Themes, go to My Page, choose Customize and then Incoming Call, pick a design and confirm. Make sure overlays remain permitted so the new screen appears during calls. Finish by testing. Call your phone from another device or use a test call to confirm the new call screen appears. If the old default still shows, go back to Settings App's phone app and clear cache, then reboot. That often forces the change. If you used a third-party caller or theme, open App Settings and enable Draw over other apps and Auto Start permissions. If problems persist, uninstall conflicting caller apps or reinstall the theme, then repeat the apply step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.